Ever wondered if you could unlock the power of advanced AI models like DeepSeek without spending a dime? Today, we're diving into how to potentially get your hands on a DeepSeek API key for free. First things first, DeepSeek, like many cutting-edge AI providers, often offers free paths to exploration. Your primary strategy is to head directly to the official DeepSeek website. Look for sections labeled Pricing, Free Trial, Developer, or Get Started. These are your golden tickets. Typically, free access comes in the form of a free tier or a limited-time trial period. The free tier usually includes a specific number of API calls per month. This is perfect for testing, learning, or small personal projects. Be sure to meticulously read the terms and conditions associated with this free tier. If you don't see a perpetual free tier, keep an eye out for promotional campaigns or special offers. Companies sometimes run limited-time free access programs, especially for new developers or for events. Signing up for their newsletter or following their social media channels is a great way to stay updated on these opportunities. Once you've identified a free offering, you'll likely need to create an account on the DeepSeek platform. After that, navigate to your developer dashboard or account settings. Here, you should find an option to generate an API key. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to secure your key. It's crucial to understand the limitations. Free API keys often come with reduced request limits, slower response times, or restricted access to advanced features compared to paid plans. Always use your free API key responsibly and ethically. Avoid excessive or malicious use, as this can impact the service for everyone and might lead to your access being revoked. Remember, these free resources are designed for exploration and learning. If your needs grow beyond the free tier's limitations, consider supporting the developers by upgrading to a paid plan. Happy experimenting with DeepSeek.